In this video, we'll explain how to perform order matching in DocBits, how to navigate the interface, and how you can utilize our AI for this process. Once you have fully validated an invoice, you can click on PO Match at the bottom, which will take you directly to the PO matching module. Let's start by looking at the buttons in the top right corner. The first button on the left is the Help button, which takes you to the documentation. Next, there's an overview of keyboard shortcuts to help you work more efficiently. Then we have the training mode, which allows you to familiarize yourself with the module. After that, you can create tasks linked to this process. You also have the option to let the AI handle the entire order matching process. More on that in a moment. Finally, there are buttons for saving, exporting, or rejecting the invoice. Now, let's go through the order matching process. At the top, you see the recorded purchase orders, and below that, a table with the invoice line items. You can match these items simply by dragging and dropping them from the top to the bottom. To demonstrate, I will remove an existing link. Now, I can search for this line item in the purchase orders and match it again. If you can't find a purchase order, you can use the search function to look for it, with filtering options based on keywords, supplier, status, and more. If the current layout doesn't work for you, or if a column is missing, you can rearrange the columns by dragging them or toggle them on and off using this button. To save even more time, let's see how the AI can handle the matching for you. First, we remove all links using the X button and then simply click Auto PO Match at the top. That's it. The AI automatically matches the invoice items with the correct purchase orders. And don't worry, if something is matched incorrectly, our system will detect it and notify you. You can see the detected issue by hovering over the link as shown here. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to submit a ticket or contact our support team.